morning world. Today is a really good day, exciting day, and Christopher Robin here. As you guys know, I rebuilt the engine of this boat maybe like a year and a half, 2 years ago. It's a Yanmar 3JH 4E. It has a V-belt in the front, V-belt pulley for the alternator and everything, and I've been like dreaming about this since my last boat. Change it to Serpentine. This V-belt is like throwing lots of dust on my engine compartment. I'm super excited. We went with this company called Electromaax, which is from Canada. Also, I went at it and I got their cruising alternator, which is 100 amp. And yeah, we're super excited about it, so let's just get this started. These are all the instructions. That's for the tensioner. This is for the Serpentine kit. Also the instructions for the alternator. This is the pulley for the freshwater. This is the pulley that goes on the crankcase. A really nice tensioner and the brand new alternator. And also new belts, the right belt, Serpentine belt. The first step is gonna be removing the old alternator and the belt. It's pretty straightforward. We're gonna just loosen the belt, taking this pulley, take the alternator out, take the tensioner out, and then we'll install both of their new pulleys and then start wiring the alternator, and then we'll put the tensioner. So we'll put some Tef gel between it for the galvanic corrosion, and that's about it. Let's just get to work. Look at that beautiful engine. So we loosen the alternator, tensioner. So that's the first step. Out with the old, in with the new. Here goes the old Bevel dusty little sucker. We don't want you anymore. We have a visitor. Bye-bye. So this Electromaax kit is pretty cool. You just put it over the existing crank balancer pulley and attach it to those 3 bolts. And so we have a bunch of Tef gel on it, and we're about to put some blue Loctite on it. So the next step is wiring the alternator. I got the cruiser alternator from Electromaax. It's 100 amp. It's designed to work very efficiently on low RPMs. I personally don't like to charge the batteries with my engine. I have a Honda and a nice charger, and I have a really nice solar and a wind generator, and I do that. I don't like to put stress on my engine, but anyway, I wanted to have a nice alternator, so when we're motoring, I'm charging my nice lithium batteries with it. This one you can do it internally and externally regulated. So I'm gonna connect it internally regulated. You can use the existing harness of your Yanmar engine. So you use this plug, and then you don't connect the field, you just put the positive, and then the negative you put it to the case of it. So that's how we're gonna wire it. Let's get to it. It looks great. That's like a 1/4 of an inch. So that's it, guys. That's the installation of our new Serpentine kit by Electromaax. Also our new 100 amp cruising alternator from Electromaax as well. Can't wait to get on the water and try it out. And I can't wait to see if it doesn't do any dust on my clean engine room. So thank you to all the people that have been watching. If you haven't yet, subscribe, smash that like button, and please share it with your friends.